Man, SteeTee, sure has been another quiet day in Chillytown.
Sure has, man.
I've heard, though, that Silver Bullet has a new partner in crime. Not sure what his name is yet. We'll find that out. Oh, look. Silver Bullet is running amok in Sector 12. Let's go get ready. Let's suit up. To battle mode, SteeTee. To this.
Pec-Man, we must destroy the building.
Hey, SteeTee, that looks like a great place to land. Oh, look! There's Silver Bullet!
And his new partner in crime, Pec-Man.
Look! It's Tape Measure Man. I'll take care of him.
SteeTee's mine. Aha! I've got you now.
Not so fast, Pec-Man.
2.
How about this?
The game's over, Pec-Man.
Silver Bullet, we must flee!
Oh!
Look, they're getting away in their Silvermobile.
We'll get you next time.